There you go, you got a hummingbird. When and if you play with quartz, make sure you're working with, you got at least a number 5 welding shade or better. If not, you're going to burn. It's going to heat it. Your eyes are going to hurt, let's just put it that way, because it gets really, really bright. Now we're going to talk about the head to this hummingbird. There we go, there's the head. One teardrop on top of another teardrop. That's the shape on shape, you can see it. And then I tilt it just a little forward. Now we'll put the loop on. The loop is for a bail so you can hang it somewhere. Now we'll do the wings. This is a really neat way of doing wings. I call it the fold and pull method. But it's actually pull and pull because you pull it over, hold it, pull, hold it, pull, hold it, and pull, hold it over and pull, fold and pull and fold. It's the same idea. You get the idea. One wing. You can do wings with that. You can do turtle. You can do fish fins. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with that. So just a matter of learning and practice. It's learning to let that glass flow. There we go. Let's give it some blue eyes. Blue, 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 blue eyes. Okay. And then we'll pull that out into a nice pointy nose. You got to get it nice and flowing and then stretch straight. Now the tail. I'm going to put a cold seal right there, and we'll do the tail on the back end of this guy. And here we go. Heat this a little bit. Flatten it a little bit. And now, if you're from North Carolina, the paste of resistance. And if you're from France, it's pièce of resistance. It's close to that anyway. And here we go. A little bit of silver goes a long, 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 long way. A little bit of a pinch on the end of the where the silver is. Yeah. And there you go. And it hangs like so. Any other requests?